Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to use Autocad. We start from the very basics. First, we use line tool. It only creates straight lines. First, we specify the first point and then we can specify the length and at what angle we have to create a line. Like we have to create a line of length 10 units at an angle 10. Then we can create it like this. Now, our next command is polyline tool. It creates a 2D polyline. It is also same as line tool. There is only a minute distance difference between both of them. First, we select the first point, then we can specify the length and at what angle we have to create it, just like we have done it in the line tool. There is only a minute difference between both of them. Like if we select a figure in polyline tool, the whole figure got selected, but we create the whole figure got selected. But if we create the same figure with the using line tool, then we can select it in parts, and also we can delete it by parts. We can also delete some specific parts of that figure. Now our third command is circle command. There are many types of circles, but most basic ones are center radius and center diameter. First select the first point and then in center radius we mention the radius of the circle like this. Like we take the radius 5 units, then the diameter is 10 units. But in center diameter, if we take the diameter as 5 units, then the radius is 2.5 units. Then our next command is poly then the next command is rectangle command. By using this we can create a rectangle of specific length and specific breadth. Like for example, we take length as 10 and breadth as 10. Then a rectangle of 10 by 10 units is created. Our next command is polygon command. There are mainly two types of polygon, circumscribed and inscribed polygons. By using this, we can create n-sided polygons figure like triangle, rectangle, pentagon, hexagon, etc.